In with meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. Good morning.
Good morning, Chelsea. Let's talk about what's showing up on Desert Doppler radar because we've got a few showers that have been moving through overnight and very early this morning, but they're very, very light. At times, mainly just sprinkles, and they're moving through very fast. Starting out in the West Valley at the top of the last hour, and you can already see they're moving into spots like Apache Junction and Queen Creek already. So those showers pushing through fairly quickly. We do have a 10% chance for rain, as I've been telling you for several days through the early afternoon. But I think the rest of the day after that will be nice and dry, and honestly I don't think we're going to see a whole lot even with that 10% chance for rain. Maybe just a quick passing shower like what we're seeing early this morning. Temperatures are in the 50s and 60s to start. We're heading into the 80s today with a high of 84, the warmest day of the next 7. We'll talk about how much cooler it's going to get as you start thinking about that weekend.
Iris, thanks. Meantime, 2 cases of presidential election.
We hit the 80s for the first time this year yesterday, and today is going to be even warmer. And I'm also tracking 3 storm systems that are going to impact us over the next 7 days, bringing rain chances and cooler weather. I'll break it all down for you in that 7-day.
Also next on ABC 15 Mornings, after decades of facing accusations.
Okay, for the first time this year, you might not even need a jacket as you step outside this morning. Believe it or not, we're sitting at just 60 degrees in Phoenix at Sky Harbor. The rest of the valley, though, sitting in the 50s, so maybe a sweater on your way out the door. We also have some breezes coming in out of the east at 13 miles an hour. We've had some light showers overnight, some more cloud cover. That's what's keeping our temperatures milder to start the day this morning as we track a disturbance that's impacting our state today. I'll show you more on that in just a bit. But look at those temperatures across the valley. It's 57 in Gilbert, 60 in Goodyear, 62 in Glendale. Oh, Goodyear, you just dropped to 59 degrees, 59 in Scottsdale, and 60 officially in Anthem. Check out temperatures up north. We're talking temperatures above freezing in Flagstaff at 37. We'll take it. 43 in Payson and 47 currently in Prescott. Yesterday was warm. We saw a high of 80 degrees for the first time this year, and today will be even warmer than yesterday. We're topping out at 84 in Phoenix, 85 in Casa Grande, mid-60s in Prescott and Sedona, and we're looking at highs in the 50s today in Flagstaff. But we've got chances for rain up in the high country, and there's a slight chance still for some valley showers this morning. But by this afternoon, our temperatures will be about 10 degrees above the normal high for this time of year. So very warm today, but cooler weather is heading our way. Now, I mentioned that disturbance and that chance for rain. It's mainly for northern Arizona, from about Prescott up to Sedona to Kingman to the Grand Canyon, Bullhead City, Lake Havasu, a better chance for rain. Also Flagstaff, and mainly through the morning hours, scattered showers and thunderstorms, but a few isolated storms will still be possible this afternoon. And for the valley, again, there's that 10% chance for rain this morning. We're tracking 3 storm systems in that 7-day forecast. The first one today, but then we've got another one coming our way Friday that's going to bring us another slight chance for rain, with a better chance for rain heading our way by Monday of next week. And the high country getting the impacts too. The storm system impacting us today, it's bringing those scattered rain showers with some isolated thunderstorms. Not as much snow though, because of the snow levels are going to be higher. By Friday, snow levels drop to around 5,500, 6,000 feet, and we're talking maybe 1 to 3 inches of snow in Flagstaff. Then storm number 3 will bring a better chance for rain and a better chance for snow early next week too. So a lot going on, and that's going to help cool us down too with these disturbances moving in. A high of 84 today, down to 77 tomorrow, and only 67 by Friday. I'll take you through that hour-by-hour planner in just a bit. Chelsea.
Thanks, Iris. Good morning to you. Good morning to all of you. Take a look at this.
Time now for that 7-day forecast. So many changes heading our way as we track several disturbances into our state. Now, the first one is bringing a few showers to the valley already this morning with a 10% chance for rain through the morning hours. It's still going to be a warm one, though. We're up to 84 degrees today after hitting 80 for the first time this year yesterday. Today, about 4 degrees warmer and 10 degrees above the normal high for this time of year. We'll likely reach those low 80s by 2 o'clock with that high of 84 right around 4 o'clock. Again, a chance for rain this morning, but then partly cloudy and drier this afternoon. Then tomorrow's temperatures down a little bit behind that disturbance, down to 77 for a high. Then we've got another storm system coming our way Friday with a high of 67 degrees. Yeah, much cooler on Friday as that colder air moves in. It's likely we'll see a few valley showers on Friday with very, very light rainfall amounts under 1/10 of an inch. Snow levels, though, will be dropping up north, and we could still pick up maybe 1 to 3 inches of snow in spots like Flagstaff and along the rim, along with very gusty winds. Dry through the weekend, but cooler, then back to rain chances Monday and Tuesday of next week. We'll talk about how strong those winds will be in the wind alerts in just a bit.
Iris, thank you for the first time in decades. Quick look at that most accurate forecast.
Yeah, you know, you're seeing a lot of clouds behind you. We did have a few showers move through overnight, too. But right now on Desert Doppler radar, not seeing a whole lot of activity. As I told you, most of us staying dry. But there's that 10% chance of a stray shower still as we go through the morning hours. So I can't rule out a stray shower or sprinkle on your drive here into work. But again, for the most part, we're going to be dry here in the valley with a better chance for rain to our north. Temperatures valley-wide in the 50s to low 60s this morning, in part because it was a warmer day yesterday and because we've had those clouds overnight. So milder to start the day. And this afternoon, get ready. It's going to be the warmest day of the next 7 with our high temperature up to 84 degrees. Warm and breezy. And then we've got much cooler temperatures before the weekend. I'm going to show you big changes coming in just the 3 days in that 7-day forecast. Now, Chelsea, you've had a lot going on this morning on the roadways and a traffic alert for people as they start their Wednesday.
Exactly, Iris. And that's what we're looking at right now.
Disturbances coming over the next 7 days that are going to impact our state, bringing rain chances and snow chances back. Now, for today, one disturbance mainly impacting California. It's going to weaken as it moves into our state, but we are seeing a band of showers, and we had a few isolated thunderstorms out near Kingman early this morning. That line of showers pushing to the east now, approaching Flagstaff from the west. Again, very, very light rain moving in, but that will continue to push east. For the valley, we had some showers overnight and early this morning, but I'm not seeing anything right now, keeping a 10% chance for rain in the forecast through, I think, about midday. Then after that, we're drier here in the valley. Up north, though, scattered showers and thunderstorms possible through the day today with that disturbance moving across. Temperature-wise, we're sitting right around 60 now. We'll be into the 70s here by 11 a.m., then into the 80s for a big chunk of the afternoon with a high today of 84 degrees. A warmer day, but as those next storm systems move in, we're cooling off. I'll show you those changes in just a bit.
Well, it's that time of year where we know
crash, but right now we need to bring in Iris. Good morning.
Okay, good morning, Chelsea. You know, we're tracking a few showers mainly north of the valley, just west of Flagstaff now, approaching that Flagstaff area along the 40. That's where our best chances for rain and thunderstorms will be today. For the valley, mainly dry, but you'll notice as you look out to the west, you're noticing a few of those light showers approaching Wickenburg and Whitman again. Those showers will be pushing east, and there is that slight chance for rain in the valley today, but mainly, again, very isolated showers in, if anything, sprinkles with that 10% chance for rain. We've got another storm system coming our way tomorrow. That will bring a slightly better chance for showers. And then a third storm coming on Monday. That one looking to bring the best chance for rain to the valley. For the high country, expect some scattered rain and showers today with a few thunderstorms too. Then we've got another storm coming our way by Friday. That one will actually be a colder storm, dropping those snow levels to around 5,500 feet, maybe 1 to 3 inches of snow in spots like Flagstaff. Then by Monday, another storm system. Again, the same one bringing more rain chances to the valley, could bring more inches of snow to the high country. Something else to note with all 3 storms, or at least the 2 coming this week, we've got some stronger winds in the forecast today. Wind advisories in effect for northern Arizona with gusts near 50 to 55 miles an hour in spots across our north. And the breezes, they're sticking around through the end of the week too up north. For the valley, expect some breezes through the end of the week too, but our gusts will peak near 20 to 25 miles an hour, not as strong as what they're going to feel in northern Arizona. A high of 84 today, then we're down to 77 on Thursday, so cooler temperatures setting in as these disturbances track our way. By Friday, we're down to 67 degrees, so much cooler, and then heading into the weekend, it'll be dry, but look at that forecast, a high of just 66 on Saturday, 73 on Sunday, then back in the mid-60s by Monday of next week.
Iris, thanks. Today's top stories